Today we're putting together probably this garbage truck, the Brix Buildable Brix Trio Transport Series. I bought this at Five Below for $6. So it comes with 3 different sets. So each one is basically $2. So let's get into it. Okay, so I make a hole enough for my finger. Okay, and then you rip it. Okay, and then this little plastic thing holds them all together. Ooh. Okay, a piece of cardboard. So let's do the garbage truck. So cute. I used to watch the garbage men deliver the not deliver the garbage. I used to watch the garbage men when I was little, picking up the trash. And I don't know, something about the truck and how it like squishes the trash. I thought that was like the coolest thing ever. And I thought, man, it would be kind of neat to be a garbage man, or a garbage woman in my case. So it does seem like a pretty hard job, but you know, I have a lot of respect for garbage men. All the stuff that people throw away, I can imagine that it has some health hazards to it. I'm not sure. I know the truck tends to pick up most of it, but you still come in contact with people's trash, and you don't know if like stuff is leaking in the bags and all sorts of stuff. When people leave bags out on the street instead of, you know, keeping everything in the actual bins themselves. Okay, so we got some wheels, some little wheels. Looks like they're rubbery just like all the other ones. Oh, let me get the Minecraft sets out of the way. Okay. So step 1, we take just one gray 2x2 with 2 bars on the sides, and then a green 2x2, and just stack them on top of each other. Green goes on the top. Step 2, we take this thing, stack that right on top as well, and then a green 1x2 goes across one side. Oh wait, I put this on the wrong direction. See how, you know, this makes it kind of like a plus sign with the pegs? It needs to be in the same direction as the pegs. There. So we're going to put the wheels in here. And then this goes here. Step 3, we need a green 2x4. Oh, we need 2 of them. And 3 1x2s. And then 2 yellow 1x3s. Okay, so we put 1 2x4 at the bottom, and one of the 1x2s goes right on the end here. Oh, and the other one goes on the other end. And then the other 2x4 goes on the top, makes a little sandwich with a little gap here. And then the yellow 2x3s goes here, and then this green 1x2 goes right back here. So then, let's see. Oh, oops. I see what I did wrong. Instead of on this, I am not paying attention. You put the 1x3s on this one, and then the 1x2 here. Okay, so this is the one with the pegs, and then this one stays like a little sandwich that looks like an O or a 0. I see. So the yellow connects like that. Okay. Step 4, we need this green piece. 2 green 2x2s. Oh, here it is. 1 green 1x2. Another gray 2x2 with pegs on the sides, and 2 yellow 1x2s. Okay, so the gray 2x2 goes on the bottom, green 2x2 on top, and then this thing on top, make sure this is in the same direction as the pegs. Okay, and then the green 2x2 goes right in the middle here. Oop. Yellow 1x2 on one end, yellow 1x2 on the other end, and then the green 1x2 back here, and then, oh, oops, I did this wrong again. So the yellows need to be sticking out. Right now it's flush right against everything. The yellows need to stick out a little bit like this, and then the green is back here. Okay, I did not get much sleep last night if you couldn't tell. And then we add this. Step 5, we need a 1x4 green piece, an arch, 1x2 with 2x2 overhang. We need 2 of these. Oh, here it is. And 1x2 flat and smooth, and 2 clear yellow little dots. So we take this 1x2 with a 2x2 overhang, stick the 1x4 across, and then we're going to attach the other 1x2 with a 2x2 overhang. And then we have yellow dot, white flat and smooth 1x2, and yellow dot, and then the little arch right below it like that. And this looks like the front of the truck. Okay, we're going to put it right here where there's like no yellow on this side. I'm just going to attach it right here. Step 6, we need 2 1x6s. Okay, looks like we're going to attach all this together like that. So it's nice and secure. Nobody's going to fall out. Step 7. Oh, this is interesting. This piece, 3 of like these little walls. One chunky 1x1 that's like 2 dots deep with 4 dots on the side, and 1 green grate. Okay, what's going on here? So this one goes like these little notches down. It attaches to one row of the little dots down here like that, leaving another row open for the grate. Okay, I'm gonna look at that in a little bit. Okay, so here's the front of the truck, and in the back, wait, look, this leaves a yellow dot open. So let's push this up. Even though there's no dot here, that's what threw me off. We need to leave a dot open in the background, so this kind of overhangs a little, you know, since there's no dot here to connect it. But I think it's stable enough. Oops, let me put that down. Okay, so now we're going to put the row of walls, a wall here and a wall here, so it's nice and smooth on the back. Oh, that needs to be pushed down a bit more. Okay, oh, I see, so this part connects right here. So this goes here, and then in the instructions there's 2 dots open here, and then we have another wall. See, where's that pointing? It's pointing right back here. So we have the smooth side facing inward. I guess facing towards the back, just like these. Step 8, we need another one of these little dudes. Another 1x1 that drops down, well, not drops down, but is chunky and has a 2x2 area of dots. Kind of like this little bar thing, two of them, a 1x2 and a 1x2 grate. Okay, so just like last time, these notches are facing down. There's dots up here, and we just put it on one column, so we can leave this column for the grate. Okay, so we're going to attach this like that. Oh, it's all coming together. Okay, these things, so the flattest sides are going to be facing inward. So this is the windshield. Oh, wait. Gosh. Got to connect the windshield pieces to this 1x2 there. So it has like a little dip here that fits right in here. Very cute. It's looking good so far. Step 9, we have a 4x4 with dots just on one side, 2 of like these 4x4 curved 2-tiered little dudes, and a 1x2 that's beveled and has like these 2 notches here. Oh, we need 2 of them. So we're going to put the 1x2s with notches and a beveled sides right on the top here. So this one goes right here. And then these dudes are going to attach like this. All right, now we're going to do the wheels. Okay, so these little pegs go through the wheel. So there's like a hubcap side and then a side where we're going to attach it to the pegs. It has like a little hole. Okay, there's 2, 3, and 4. Okay, let's attach the wheels. Okay, those move really well. There were some of them in the previous set where the wheels would get stuck. Oh, that moves so well. Oh, that's so good. The dump truck looks a little short, but that's okay. This is really cute. All right, so now we have stickers. And the really big sticker goes on the top. I guess it kind of just goes like this. Usually the stickers have to like be right up against the edges, or there'll be little pieces hanging off. So we do have to arrange this pretty well. There, that looks good. Okay, so the big stickers tend to have bubbles, so I like to kind of score it with my fingernail and get all the bubbles out. Once I'm sure that I don't want to be like raising it back up again. There. All right, looks good. Okay, then there's like this huge piece. It's just kind of pointing towards the back. So, okay, so there's like doors and like little lights. Okay, how far down do we go? Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks good. Very cute. Okay, then we have the license plate. Oh, that is, so apparently this one, you actually have to center, so there won't be any overhang if you don't push it all the way to the ends of the piece. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, and then this piece it looks like on the instructions, it kind of has like a mountain shape to it. So we're going to do this. I'm assuming for this piece, I'm going to put it right up against the edge. Yep, that worked. All right. Okay, this one's pretty cute. And I like how you can actually move it across the table and the wheels don't get stuck like the other ones were. Okay, let's see it with the box. Oh, that is a little bit crooked. I should fix that. And I know it's something really small, but it bothers me. So, that's like, okay. So what we're gonna do, since vertically it seems to be like right up against the edge, but horizontally we need to work a little harder to center it. There, that's much better. Okay. Yeah, it looks really good. Looks just like the box. Almost the actual size. It's a little bit smaller than what's portrayed on the box, like an actual size, but I still really like it. I like how it moves. It's a cute little dumpy dump truck. Adorable. All right, so that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.